Your Excellency, I know it was very technical.
Yeah, because probably 10% of it. Asa Marieta, Nombo Deputy Governor of Kisii County, Mosque DG Obebo. Nasiri baga dio Mosque Paul Simbarati, gotu wachirere roga iga ase nyagitari itenene. Kopokea ebinto byokulenda abana baitu byarentirwe ne company ekorukwa Nest 360. Abana bagisangio baitu asoko ene kinga abana baitu bagotoka, abana baitu bakonyorwa, banyorwa n'obugima bwabo bwarendwa bwagwenera mbogusira. Batorentera ebifaa ebinge n'ekibasa kire kinyinge ebyo Mosque Simbarati arigia otoko ngambu ya mono Nest 360 asa batorentera ebintu ebiga. Ebi bikikoene kinga going forward kogenda bosio abana bago konyorekanaga iganya sago kutusinya sinya gitari yeye igo bagokina n'obugima obuya mbasi obugima bwabo asa matukari amake kimashini eki neki nyinge kindi kikoro kunga radiant warmers kindi kiko test glucose ekinde kiko rukunga suction machines kiko rusubo cyabwe sabana barabake ekiagara ka banyorekane matuka bagonya ngataraika ase ngakibagwende gocha lakini bacha menya saba ngete egere urendo bugima obwo kimashine kikiagara cyakire neki nyinge otokole ngambu ya mono iga asenya gitari yetu ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital igo tokonyora ma abana bagotoka bare 30 kera lituko na abana abo gatiabo 10 ngotakero bare babe kwa kimashine erinde bugima bwabo bogwenere naende bobe erinde bakine buya kimashine kibono kiko make sure ngabana bonse bakonyorwa ase gitari yeye ngo bago kukina bali na afya naende babwato obugima bwabo nabande bali bakorusiko munaga igo munyagitari mona ntebinge bagocha kurusiko naenda ngesaba kera lituko ibaga nabasaba gose batatu bose babire bakorwa ase kimashine yanyorwa kimashine ko bayidirwe obugima bwabeire abarabo bakine obugima edinde bachiko babanta abaya nande bantu bali buya nande abantu bakinete toko ningambu ya mona ase Nest 360 ase gotoa kimashine eki nenje ngotebanga kwa niaba yo Mosque Paul Simbarati mugaba no ito togotebega kimashine eki kiakira twaburi daktari ne timu yaye to make sure ngati kisareka kirigeri gubuya kirendu buya eketwa kirorire ne kinya ne kingiya nande kiri kya kisasa kirendwe erine kikona abantu baito asa matukare bosio Nest simoko genda togoteba mbuya mono na next time kuri mwari eira ngote to mushimo gaba na ngamo chomorente nande tuwera ne ringa mbuya mono abantu ba minto we thank the government of His Excellency aso gokora mangana maya nande twatebire bya mono ase byonse. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Abaminto abarigere n'abategereria ase amaritangoro ku Dr. Imeke Marita omoteneri gwe nyagitari yeito ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ikuria rero ntubwato mogoko wo twara abageni aiga bakorwa ase organization kurunga Nest 360 abatorenteire ebyombo ose chi equipment ichoko rwaria abana bari abake babwate korurituko erimo bakamatuko 23 chi equipment kibatorenteire tore nobo okwegena ngango chiro tokonya chikonya abanyagitari baito egere abana bari bakorentuga abarwarete barabake banyara ko bakogwena bakogendaka ibaga bagokwa ase abana bari tokonyora ase nyagitari yeito konyora tore tokonyora bari batagete chimashini tokonyora tabwati ekitwarende rurero gwetera ase omugabano ito Honorable Paul Simbarati oyo torigeria abageni abaiga ba Nest 360 batorendere equipment echiga nande batebire ngo kibara otomente echinde ase metinye ebere tatu erumotu egere togendere kokorera abantu baito gwetera mona ase abana bari abake abakorire obuya bwoko ba amatibabu ari abwenerete kolengana nebirengo biense biamono
ase mwabe time ya gusimbia more ausie bagotorone getinginye kia keng'ainia ekorigio obondi kiagacha embure gotwa giasoa nyomba oyo nere getinginye keng'ainia omweshimiwa Simbarati ase eng'encho obong'aini bwaye na obuya bwaye origirie abageni barura ase atambe bachirege ase county ya Kisii abageni abago ku Nest 360 baretire amagenderero yo batoire chi equipment chigocha gokonya abana baito bakourwa bake banyare gokina negia afya igo ntwe muna abakora egasi be serikali ya Simbarati tokorera bageri gwakera next 360 etimu yaikira rero ng'ambuya mono ase ogwancha gokora egasi na serikali yaito ya Kisii okonya abanto ba Gusii kiagera ira twarwete ase abanto baito neri ng'a amang'ana ya chinyagitari amo na equipment chia nyagitari nyare koba ase bonge eri abanto baito banyara gokonyeka amba base gokwera chinyomba chiabo bacha nyagitari iga barwarigwa baba buya ase igo mbuya mono sana naende tiga mbatebia abanto baito ng'a abana mobwate barware chinyomba chiaino kamoranje baete chinyagitari chimashini tobwata mariogo naro ntwate mariogo amange tiga abanto ba chinyagitari aiga barwarigwe erio tonyara komenya na afya engiya tokora amagenderero amo erio tonyara gokini Gusii yaito enyare komesa mbuya mono.
Okay,
Yeah,
you begin with your name.
I'm Dr. Matiko Giabe, County Director, Medical Services. Pleased, to have this partnership with NEST 360 in as far as equipping of NB units the KTRH is concerned. In the past, we've had a significant mortality rate in this age group, but we've seen efforts from the team based there reducing these numbers towards what is accepted internationally. But to bolster these efforts, we really want to upload the 360 next group for the equipment that they have donated. And we hope that moving forward, with the support that we've always gotten from the Office of His Excellency the Governor, that we'll double our efforts to ensure that we even get to single digits moving forward. So thank you, and we'll continue working together.
Yeah, so we are very happy to be here at the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital today as the NEST 360 team. We came here last year to do an assessment to find the gaps that undermine provision of small and sick newborn care quality. And today we've come here to give a donation of equipment. So we have a list of equipment that cost around 3.8 million out of the total donation cost of 7.4 million that we will be giving to the hospital. We have equipment ranging from warmers to phototherapy machines, suction machines, bilirubinometer, and a few others. Of our partnership with Kisii County Teaching and Referral Hospitals, and we hope that this partnership will work towards improvement of care for small and sick newborns in this county and within the region. Thank you so much.
But let's take it quickly. This is a holistic bundle that we are giving to Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. And again, then we have clusters of devices. So we have those responsible for thermal regulation. So like this whole machine here, we call it a ready-to-home. And that is the device that is top of your delivery note on that list. So we have 3 units. This is just one assembled. The other 2 are being assembled by the local environments in the facility. The good thing, it comes with a temperature probe that can always give an alarm in case the temperatures of the units are going below or hyper. Then we have a phototherapy machine. This is the current best model in the market. We call it a Brilliance Pro. And one good advantage about it is that it do come with a light meter. So this is what the clinicians will use to gauge on the dose they need to subject the baby to the light or to treatment. So that is one positive move for addressing jaundice, our babies with jaundice. So for today we're just giving 1. We still have 6 more to go or to provide better. Then we have a suction machine. This is for aspiration purposes. And of course in the cases where resuscitation will be key. So this is the device, neonatal spec, neonatal because the users can easily set or adjust pressures to suit the needs. So in that case, there is no possibility of them sucking blood or perhaps part of the baby. So easily adjustable, power dependent, and of course it's a consumables that are being to do harm there. Again, we do have, so we are giving 5 of these. All these are here, so this is just one. The other 5 for the postnatal wing. Then we have a glucometer. This is the latest we have. It's the latest we do have in the bundle under NEST. Previously, within the first phase of the 13 implementing facilities, we did a different model, but of course, with feedback that we do get from facility team members, we've been forced to change. And yes, we've been forced to change to this model simply because it can capture the lowest glucose possible. The other one we did intended to not capture some very low figures, but this is currently the one we're doing. So we are giving 4 pieces or 4 units of that, and of course with a stock pack of strips for use with the same. Then we do have a point of care device that will let Dr. Nicole here to know which baby are we putting on phototherapy and which mode of treatment. So when I talk about mode of treatment, in this case we do have those babies who are, can I say, severely jaundiced and those that are mildly jaundiced. So these are point of care device, we call it a bilirubinometer. The model in this case is the BDDX. Yeah, this is a US machine. Results, you can obtain results within 5 minutes. She's a nurse, so she knows much about that. So yeah, we are also giving this one piece with a starter pack of 3 boxes of 50 strips each. Yes. Then moving on, we do have the bubble sipper. So this currently is our showstopper in the Nest 360 bundle. This is for RDS, respiratory distress syndrome, those babies who cannot breathe comfortably, want to take
Your Excellency, I know it was very technical.
Very technical.
This machine,
We got probably 10% of
this machine is for babies born prematurely, whose lungs are not mature yet. So therefore, they cannot support breathing on their own self. They need some support in this machine. And prematurity is the biggest contributor to our death. So we hope that with this, the numbers will come down. Jaundice is zeroness of eyes and the body because of excess waste in the body.
because the body become yellow.
Yes. When you say the excess, it means that babies will have uriness on the eyes only, which is mild. The others will have uriness in the whole body, from the eyes to the toes. Now, this light helps them. This is now the modern way of treating uriness of eyes or jaundice. Traditionally, mothers would take their babies to the sun. Okay? That's precisely the technology there. This is a suction machine. Babies, when they are born, they have a lot of secretions, saliva, blood, and other things. So this is to get rid of them so they don't choke those secretions. This is said is to check sugar. Babies can be born with either abnormally low sugar levels or abnormally high sugar levels.